Today marks an exciting day for tech enthusiasts and Samsung fans as we dive into the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra lineup. Even before its official event, we've got hands-on images and details of the S25 series, along with glimpses of their retail boxes. Let's jump right in to explore what makes this new flagship series a game-changer. The Galaxy S25 lineup. First impressions. Galaxy S25. Compact and elegant. The Galaxy S25 debuts in a stunning matte bronze finish, showcasing Samsung's knack for combining aesthetics with functionality. Its front panel boasts a centered punch-hole camera and razor-thin bezels, making it one of the sleekest designs in the Galaxy series. Flipping it over, the rear design reveals a polished glass back with a triple camera array, exuding a minimalist yet premium vibe. This model perfectly balances portability and performance, offering a great option for those who want flagship features in a compact size. Galaxy S25 Plus, the stylish all-rounder. Next, we have the Galaxy S25 Plus, dressed in an eye-catching, vibrant blue finish. The polished glass back seamlessly complements its triple camera setup, delivering a blend of style and sophistication. The larger display ensures extra screen real estate, making it a go-to choice for productivity and entertainment enthusiasts. Galaxy S25 Ultra, a premium marvel. The highlight of the lineup is undoubtedly the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which comes in a breathtaking lavender shade. This model takes premium design to the next level with a flat display, rounded corners, and ultra-slim bezels. The back panel features a quad-camera setup, including individual lens cutouts that scream sophistication and modernity. Adding to its functionality is the S Pen, neatly integrated into the body, ensuring a professional-grade experience. Software and features. The power of One UI 7. Samsung's latest One UI 7 takes the user experience up a notch with its revamped widgets, including cleaner designs for weather and smart cards. These updates perfectly complement the hardware's elegance, making the Galaxy S25 series a seamless blend of form and function. Galaxy S25 Ultra. Features that redefine flagships. Advanced AI-powered camera system. Samsung has gone all out with the cameras in this lineup, especially the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Ultra features a 200MP main sensor, supported by an upgraded 50MP ultra-wide camera and telephoto lenses with up to 10x optical zoom. The new night video mode leverages AI to enhance low-light videos while reducing visual and audio noise, offering unparalleled clarity. Performance that outshines the competition. Powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, coupled with up to 16GB of RAM in select regions like India, South Korea, and China. This combination promises blazing fast performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using resource-intensive apps. Battery and charging upgrades. The Ultra is backed by a robust 5,000 mAh battery with 25W wireless charging and reverse charging capabilities, ensuring you stay connected all day. Its energy-efficient design, paired with Android 15, further extends battery life, making it a reliable partner for heavy-duty tasks. Exclusive features. Designed for the elite. Samsung is taking exclusivity to another level by offering the 16GB RAM variant of the Galaxy S25 Ultra in select Asian markets. This model is tailored for power users, enabling seamless multitasking and enhanced gaming performance. Additionally, Samsung's Smart Switch feature ensures a hassle-free transition by securely transferring your photos, apps, and conversations to the new device. Integration with Google Gemini adds another layer of convenience, allowing voice commands to interact with apps effortlessly. Colors, design, and build quality. One of the standout aspects of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its titanium blue variant, which is as stylish as it is durable. The color-matched S Pen is a thoughtful touch, emphasizing the cohesive design language Samsung is known for. With a flat-edge design, refined bezels, and upgraded camera layout, the Ultra strikes a perfect balance between futuristic aesthetics and functional design. Specs comparison. Breaking it down. Feature Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, Galaxy S25 Ultra. Display size 6.2 inches, 6.7 inches, 6.9 inches. Main camera resolution 50MP, 50MP, 200MP. Battery capacity 4,000 mAh, 4,900 mAh, 5,000 mAh. RAM options 8GB, 8GB, 12GB, /16 GB. Charging speed 25W, 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 wireless. Unboxing experience. Leaked images and videos reveal an unboxing experience that reflects Samsung's commitment to sustainability. The box is sleek, compact, and free of unnecessary plastic, housing the phone, the S Pen, and a fast-charging cable. A quick start guide ensures users can dive straight into their new Galaxy experience. Final thoughts. Is it worth the hype? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most impressive flagship yet. With cutting-edge technology, a stunning design, and exclusive features, it's a device that redefines what we can expect from a smartphone. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or someone who values premium aesthetics, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a compelling choice.